Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I'm showing my Christmas presents. This is the two organizer or screw organizer for capacitors, motors and other stuff to organize. This is my new toolbox. Here you can organize screws, wall plugs, drills, nails, etc. Then when I open in here, there's an organizer for screwdrivers, hammers, here for rivets, screwdrivers, hot glue guns, soldering wires, solder flags, etc. And these are my presents for Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas. Please subscribe. See you next time for more videos, interesting videos. Bye.